Good afternoon. This video is dedicated to explain the last quiz of the transitions, and we will go through the questions one by one. Of course, credits to the College Board for the material. I will start with question number one. Furthermore, by contrast, similarly, and that is furthermore for addition. By contrast, this is contrast and differences. Similarly for similarities, and that is, which is very important. You need to know the difference between that is and that said. That is for maybe stating a fact, maybe for clarification. It can be used for clarifying or emphasizing a point. That said may be used for showing contrast because some people can believe that, or some students believe that they are the same. That is for stating facts, for clarifying, for summing up, for clarifying a point, emphasizing a point. And that said, this is for a contrast relationship. Let's start with the first question. Sorry. In a heated debate in biogeography, the field is divided between dispersalists and vicariancists, whatever. So it seems that when he said that there is a debate and they are divided between something called dis, whatever, and the other one, vic. This means that there is a difference between those two things I don't understand. They are different because there is a debate and the field is divided between 1 versus 2. Don't read the choices. Go to the second sentence. There are those, يعني في those who argue that this is the most important. Some people are with this as it's, or they are the most important determining factors. And those who insist that Vike يبقى في ناس تانية مع Vike. يبقى some people support this و some people support Vike. What's the relationship between both of them؟ يعني الفيرست سنتنس بتقول ان في حاجتين مختلفتين، ده الدي اي اس ده والفايك. السنتنس اللي بعدها في ناس بتسبورت الدس وفي ناس بتسبورت الفايك. هل هنا انا عملت addition? Is there something new? No new information here. No addition. طب contrast، هما contrast هما different. On the contrary. So similarly, when we have two things that are similar to each other, two pieces of information, يعني I like pizza, Nancy likes pizza, so that's a similarity. But I have here I and here Nancy, so I'm trying to show that we are similar. But here, do we have different subjects? No, they are the same. Here we have this and Vic, and here we have this and Vic. Here they are different, and the other sentence said that they are different. Some people argue, or some people support this, and the other people support Vic. So I believe the right answer here is that I'm clarifying a point. I'm stating a fact. I'm emphasizing how the field is divided. How is the field divided between two things? Why there is a debate? The second sentence explained why there is a debate or how the field is divided, since some people support this and the others support Vike. Let's move to the second question. Most of the planets that have been discovered outside our solar system orbit G-type star like our sun. So we have here G-type stars like the sun, the planets outside our solar system. This is the first sentence. The second sentence, don't read the transitions at the very beginning. No, you read the first sentence. Then read the second sentence and you try to figure out the relationship between both of them before figuring out which transition would fit. So the first sentence said that the planets outside our solar system orbit G-type stars. They orbit G-type stars like our sun. In 2014, researchers identified a planet orbiting. Look, هنا orbit. Second sentence orbiting. orbiting ايه هنا بقى؟ K ET9. I don't understand this, but it's a B type star اللي أكبر من الصن. يبقى sentence number 1 البلانتس بتوربت G star type. طب هنا second sentence لقوا حاجات B type star. يبقى what is the relation? Are they the same? No. هنا G type وهنا B type. What's the relationship? Yes, it seems it's a contrast relationship, so we have to go for however. Question 3. In 1815, while in exile in Jamaica, Venezuelan revolutionary Simon, okay, what did he do? He penned a letter praising England Republican government and expressing hope that Latin American nations seeking independence from Spain might achieve something similar. The letter was addressed to a local merchant. So they handed the letter to a local merchant. Great. Though Bolivar's goal, his goal was to persuade leaders from England and Europe to support his cause. What's the relationship here, يا جماعة? He handed the letter. He handed the letter to the merchant. Why? Why did he hand it to the merchant? Because he wanted, or that was a step, because his goal was to persuade leaders to support his what? His cause. Okay? We have here consequently, accordingly, additionally for addition. Accordingly and consequently, I believe that they are copycats. They are similar to each other, which both of them may reflect cause and effect relationship, which can work here, but I will prefer and the right answer to choose B ultimately, because this expresses it's like at the highest level, or to express the main goal of doing something. The letter's main goal was to persuade leaders to support his cause. So the best transition here, ultimately.